As today we're playing a game. I forgot. Got everything. What is my name again? I was Rookie Plays. Welcome to my channel. And today we're not playing Roblox, not playing Baldi, not playing Geometry Dash. We're playing Subway Surfers. Well, whatever this game.
After May 19th, they will not cover Vivance. But they will cover the generic. But you'll just have to let the doctor know that they can't that she can't prescribe Vivance. I know that she needs to know she absolutely can't because it won't be covered under our insurance. It's saying the generic will be covered. But after May 19th, the name brand won't be. That's all that is.
What if I don't update this? Do I have to?
Well, this whole section is fine.
The dog.
Ready? Go. So I'm still recording. I got a D. Up.
I think it's absolutely ridiculous that they give him a break for social development.
This is just it's an upgraded card to what you have now. This is an upgraded card to what you have now. But basically, this allows you, if you go out to eat, you can use this card to pay for it. So it's it gives you until the end of August.
So should I just put it in my
I'd put it away for now and then look into it. But it looks like they're trying to get you to use it every day for this. So like our employees and stuff, they really should know what they're using.
Train!
Dash here, honey.
Remember how I said there used to be MTV on the club, now it's NPR It looks like they put the band, it looks like a library.
Yeah.
And it's like this cramped little part of what looks like a library, and they play like through some of the songs. It was one for the Goo Goo Dolls. And they were selling a vinyl of that recording for like $24.99. And I'm like, okay, so it's the Goo Goo Dolls, but it's like more of like a stripped down acoustic. And I'm like, that might be a neat thing to have. Until I found out it's 4 songs. 2 songs on each. It's a full size vinyl. It's 4 songs. 2 songs on each side. One side has Iris and then a song off their new album, and then the other side has Slide and a song off their new album. And they wanted $25 for it.
I'm on top of the train! I'm on top of the train. I'm on top of the train. You got the guys, now. You know, like, I'm up. That's it, guys.